Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So you may have seen the picture that I posted over on some of the other social media sites with a new product coming out. This is from WrapnStore, and you're probably like, okay, well, what's actually in the box? Well, so WrapnStore provides these special products to help you wrap and store your Christmas lights. We all have been there, with the lights, and they come out looking almost like from Christmas Vacation, a big, ball of lights that are all stuck together. We've tried other solutions. Sometimes you get ones that include something to wrap it with. Well, they provide a really awesome solution from what I saw online. So I was like, yeah, I want to check this out. Send it to me. I'm going to show my audience, how this really works. So this is how it arrives when you order it. And then I opened up the box, so it looks like it's actually made from that, I think it's chloroplast material it's called. And it's like the same material you'll see like the election signs and things like that made out of. But you can see it's all built like this. So pretty interesting. Now it does say press inside and lock. Not sure. Let's see. It shows me a picture here. So there are some graphics. Made in USA. Tells me the patent number, WrapnStore. So let's see. All right. So I think. Okay. Just gonna try this off the bat here. See if this is right. I don't know. I mean, that looks. I don't know. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna find out more when I actually show you the demo and review of the WrapnStore, and I want to, show you actually how it works. So I'm gonna figure all this out, but I think that's what it is. So pretty much, it's this flat, flat product for the most part that you can kind of put together almost like a pizza box, and then you can easily wrap all your Christmas lights around each of these, keep them separated. So when the season comes again, all you got to do is unwrap them, and then if you want to store this back in the box, all you got to do is just simply take it apart, and then you can fold it like that and lay it flat. Pretty cool. So if you're looking for something like this, make sure you like and subscribe if you don't already, and make sure to look for the video of the demo and review of the WrapnStore. So I'm going to go catch up and actually see some demos and tutorials on actually to make sure that I was doing this right. But otherwise, that's the WrapnStore right there. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you soon.